Hi guys, welcome back! It's time for another round of Costco's best finds of the week. From hidden gems to must-have deals, we've got the ultimate haul you won't want to miss. Let's dive in! Now your house can be cleaner than ever with this Narwhal Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop with Accessory Pack Bundle. It comes in all-in-one base station, auto-targeted cleaning with dirt sands, and most important, today it's on sale. Don't miss this great opportunity. Treat yourself or your guest with this Belgian chocolate. Each treat represents different country: France, Italy, Portugal, Belgium, Netherlands, Spain. Two beautiful packages to choose from, yellow or black. For pasta lovers, here is a great big pack of different pastas straight from Italy. Different shapes and colors all in one pack, each pack from different part of Italy. Now it's the best time to shop for gifts for the holidays. Introducing the Belgian finest chocolate box, a luxurious treat now available at Costco. 3 boxes wrapped together. In one, dessert chocolate, in the second, cheesecake chocolates, and in the third, cupcake chocolates. The elegant packaging makes it perfect for gifting. New at Costco, Rochef Chocolatier. Premium quality chocolate. Unique assortment of vibrant colors and rich flavors. Each piece is handcrafted. The different colors in the box represent a diverse range of flavors, designed to surprise and delight with every bite. From food to body wash that you will actually enjoy. Pack of 2 bottles, coconut and peony. I just got this pack to myself and already tried the pink one. I adore it. The great smell makes you think that you're in a spa. Great treatment to yourself. Wine decanter with coaster. This is a perfect addition to any wine lover's collection. It's elegantly designed to enhance the flavor and aroma of your favorite wines by allowing them to breathe and fully open up. Whenever you're hosting a dinner party or simply enjoying a quiet evening at home, this decanter is a must-have for any wine enthusiast. Le Creuset brings you this vibrant set, offering 6 colorful, durable stoneware mugs, ideal for your daily beverages. Whenever you're enjoying coffee, tea, or hot chocolate, these cups are designed to retain heat, keeping your drinks warmer for longer. New at Costco, champagne flutes. Set of 6. Perfect way to elevate your celebrations. Made from high-quality glass, durable and stylish. This set makes for a beautiful gift or a lovely addition to your own glassware collection. Artificial potted tree is a stunning way to bring greenery into your home without the hassle of maintenance. Wherever placed in your living room, office, or entryway, this tree adds a touch of elegance and vibrancy to your space. Caviar lovers, this is for you. Ossetra sturgeon. Delicate, nutty flavor, smooth texture, exceptional quality at unbeatable value. Whenever you're hosting a lavish dinner or enjoying a private indulgence, this caviar is the ultimate luxury experience. This box is a variety of snacks from France. You only need to bake it from 5 to 8 minutes. Cheese quiches, garlic bread, puff cheese, brie cheese. Pamper your feet while staying cozy and chic at home. These slippers designed to keep your feet comfortable during the colder months. Durable, sleep-resistant sole. Relaxing by the fireplace or running errands at home, these slippers will provide perfect blend of comfort, style, and warmth. Another body wash from Costco, Caprina Body Wash. Premium skincare product known for its gentle, nourishing formula. Made with the natural goodness of goat's milk. The goat milk is rich in vitamins, minerals, fatty acids, and more. And for the hands, there is this set of 4: balsam fir, vanilla cinnamon, orange spice, and holly berry. Home Alone Lego set, new at Costco. This is a fantastic way for fans of the classic holiday film to recreate iconic scenes and moments from the movie. It allows you to build the McAllister family home with all the characters from the movie. If you're a fan, hurry up while it lasts. Powerful sound in a portable, convenient package. The set includes 2 speakers, each designed to be lightweight yet durable. Includes travel case that ensures easy transport and protection. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button to support it. Subscribe so you don't miss any new videos. See you next time. Bye-bye!